Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to find drafts on Instagram so you never lose your saved content again if you've created a post, story, or reel and saved it for later. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram on your phone. This is the main app where all your posts, stories, reels, and saved drafts are managed. Step 2, tap the plus icon at the bottom or top of the screen. This button is used to create new content and also gives access to your saved drafts. Step 3, tap post, story, or reel depending on where you save the draft. This is important because drafts are stored separately for each content type. Step 4, look for the drafts option at the top of the screen. This appears only if you have saved drafts available in that section. Step 5, tap drafts to open all your saved drafts. Here you can see everything you saved but didn't publish yet. Step 6, select the draft you want to view, edit, or publish. This lets you continue working on your content or share it when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Instagram tips and tutorials.